Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make all your photos private on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages. Tap on Menu at the top right corner. Now, tap on your profile at the top to access your Facebook profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on Photos to view all your photos and albums on Facebook. Select any album you want to make private. This works for all your Facebook photo albums. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of the album. Select Edit Album from the menu. This is where you control your Facebook photo privacy settings. Now, tap on Friends to see the current audience setting. Change your post audience to Only Me. This means only you can see these photos. They'll be completely private from everyone else on Facebook. Tap Done to confirm the privacy change. Now you'll see a lock icon appear under your album name, indicating that this album is now private and only visible to you. Repeat these steps for each album to make all your photos private on Facebook. And that's how you change your Facebook photo privacy to private. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook privacy and security tutorials. Thanks for watching.